Hello, welcome back to the channel. Is your Android phone slow, lagging, freezing, or getting hot every time you open an app? Don't worry, you don't need a new phone yet. In this video, I'll be showing you proven steps to fix that slow Android problem. But before we proceed, subscribe, hit the like button and leave a comment for us. Then let's fix that slow Android phone problem. Over time, Android phones become slow because of background apps, full storage, outdated software, and unnecessary system load. But the good news is that you can fix most of these issues yourself. First, restart your phone. Restarting your phone clears temporary memory and stops apps running in the background. Low storage makes your phone crawl. Go to settings and storage and delete unused apps, old videos, and large files. Clear cached data. Cached data can slow things down. Clear cache for heavy apps like Chrome, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram. Update fix bugs to improve performance. Go to settings and software. Update and install the latest version. Turning off animation makes your phone feel faster instantly. Go to settings and about phone and tap build numbers 7 times and developer options to reduce animation scale to 0.5 times or turn it off completely. Some apps constantly run in the background. Uninstall what you don't use, especially heavy games and social apps. Use lighter apps like Facebook Lite, Messenger Lite, and YouTube Lite if your phone is older. If your phone is still slow, a factory reset can help, but that will be only after backing up your data. Try these steps and your Android phone will feel brand new again. If this helped you,
don't forget to subscribe on my channel.